Using Temp Basal. Temp Basal rates. The Temp Basal feature helps set and start a temporary basal rate that can be used immediately to manage BG for short-term activities or conditions. The duration of the Temp Basal rate can range from 30 minutes to 24 hours. After the Temp Basal rate delivery is completed or cancelled, the programme basal pattern resumes. To start a Temp Basal rate, from the home screen, press Select, and then select Insulin. Select Basal, and then select Temp Basal. Set the duration. Select Next. Select Type to select rate or percent. Depending on the type selected, do one of the following. Enter a percentage, enter a basal rate. Select Review to review the Temp Basal setting. Select Begin to start the Temp Basal rate. The Temp Basal banner appears on the home screen during delivery. To cancel a Temp Basal rate, from the home screen, select Insulin. Select Cancel Temp Basal. The Temp Basal screen appears. Select Cancel Temp Basal.